So you know to replace your filter every month. It's in the ceiling or in the closet with the unit, but do you know about the secret filter? So you've got your unit in the attic, and there's the secret filter spot. So you've got the fresh air that comes into the house, and you've got a little filter slot here. And when you don't replace the filter, it ends up looking like this, full of dust, falling apart. This probably hasn't been replaced in years, probably. So got the new filter, gonna put that in there, and that's what you would do. And you want to make sure it's facing the right way. It's just airflow down, and air comes in through this duct and through here. So I will try to do this beforehand. And there you go. And that's how you replace a filter in the attic. If you're not sure if you've got a filter in the attic, give us a call. We can take a look for you. We can also do maintenance on the system, make sure it's up and running properly. If you're in the San Antonio area or anywhere in the surrounding area, give us a call. We'll come out and take care of you.